Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe with you. Today's recipe is a quick snack idea, Asian cucumber salad. All I do is I take a couple mini cucumbers and I slice those up. I don't really use any real measurements, but I'll show you what I put in there and you can kind of tailor it to the flavors that you like. But I love garlic, so I'm adding some garlic. Sometimes I also add garlic powder in addition to it. I feel like you could never have enough garlic. Then sesame oil. That I feel like is the key player to this dish. I barely added any today because I was adding other stuff like sweet chili sauce. But normally I do add a lot more sesame oil. And then you can add soy sauce. I use coconut aminos. Tastes the exact same, it's just less sodium, slightly healthier for you. And then I do put a splash of either rice vinegar or white wine vinegar. And not too much of all these things. I feel like less sauce is more for this. And then I always keep it in a container, shake it up real well. Sometimes I let it marinate in the fridge for a couple hours before I eat it. And then right before I eat it, I do have some sesame seeds that I sprinkle on top. And I love this. It's so good, pretty healthy for you. There's not much calories in the sauce depending on how much you use. And yeah, hope you like it and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.